Tapioca is known by various names in different regions of the world. In Europe and the United States, cassava is the term usually applied to the roots, and tapioca refers to the starch and starch derivatives. The plant looks like a small tree, some 10 feet tall. The starch is extracted from the tuberous roots, which are typically 3 inches in diameter and over a foot long. Tapioca is easy to grow and does not require much cultivating. 2 crops can be grown each year, with almost complete flexibility of both planting and harvest schedule. The availability of tapioca roots to the industry is thus year-round. Approximately 1 million hectare of land, or 2.5 million acres, are devoted to tapioca in Thailand, producing some 20 million tons of tapioca root annually. Approximately 50% of the tapioca roots are processed into tapioca chips and pellets, and 50% into tapioca starch. Most of these products are for export. Thailand is presently the world's largest producer and exporter of tapioca products, shipping to over 75 countries. The main markets for tapioca chips and pellets include the European Union, China, and Korea. The main markets of refined tapioca starch are Japan, Taiwan, the United States, Singapore, and Hong Kong. As the demand for tapioca-based products has markedly increased over time, new varieties of tapioca have been developed with the main purpose of improving the economic return of the industry. New varieties are selected primarily for improved starch yield. Only conventional breeding programs by hybridization techniques are used. No genetic engineering is involved. Thai tapioca starch and products are therefore completely free of GMO. Tapioca products are applicable in many types of products. Tapioca roots can be processed into tapioca chips and pellets, which mainly are used in animal feed compounding. Tapioca is also an alternative raw material for producing liquor as well as industrial and medical alcohol. Food. Tapioca starch is widely used in making foods. Native tapioca starch is used in bakery products and as a general thickening agent. Modified starch or starch derivatives have been applied for thickening, binding, texturing, and stabilizing. The range of food products using Thai tapioca starch includes canned food, frozen food, dressings, sauces, and infant food. Confectionery. Native tapioca and diverse types of modified starch are used in confectionery for different purposes, such as thickening and glazing. Tapioca starches are widely used in gelled confectionery such as jellies and gums. Monosodium glutamate, or MSG. Tapioca starch is a common feedstock for making MSG in Asia. Sweetener. Glucose and fructose, made from tapioca starch, are used as substitutes for sucrose in jams and canned fruits. Tapioca-based sweeteners are preferred in beverage formulations for their improved processing characteristics and product-enhancing properties. Pharmacy. Native and modified tapioca starches are used as binders, fillers, and disintegrating agents for tablet production. Glue. Tapioca starch is a very important raw material in making glue. Tapioca starch-based dextrins are excellent adhesives and used in many applications, including gummed paper, tapes, labels, stamps, and envelopes. Biodegradable products. Tapioca starch can be used as a biodegradable polymer to substitute for plastics in packaging materials. Plywood. Glue made from tapioca starch is a key material in plywood manufacturing. The quality of plywood depends heavily on the glue. Paper. Modified tapioca starch is used in the wet stage of paper making to flocculate the pulp, improving running rates and reducing pulp loss. Native and modified tapioca starch is also used in the coating and sizing of paper, improving the strength, binding coatings to the paper, and controlling ink absorption to improve print quality. Textile. Tapioca starch is used in 3 stages of textile processing: sizing the yarn to stiffen and protect it during weaving, in printing to improve color consistency, and in finishing to make the fabric durable and shiny. In the future, modified starches that are tailor-made for individual applications will continue to find new uses. Thailand, the world's largest exporter of tapioca products, will never stop improving product quality to ensure that every customer's application needs will be met.